It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 69. If the function f is defined as above, for what value of a is function f continuous at x equal to -1/2? Okay, there are three conditions for f to be continuous at x equal to -1/2. That's number one, the function f at 1/2 has to exist, right? So this value has to exist. Number two, limit as x approaches -1/2, f of x has to exist. Okay. Number three is what? This function value and limit value, they have to be equal to each other, right? So number three condition is f of -1/2 has to be equal to limit as x approaches -1/2, f of x. Okay, here, when x is equal to -1/2, the function value is equal to a, right? So we have f of -1/2 is equal to a. Now, we have to find the limit of f of x when x approaches -1/2, right? So limit as x approaches -1/2, when x is not equal to 1/2, f of x is this expression right here, right? So I'm going to write that function f of x, 6x squared plus x minus 1 over 4x squared minus 1. So this one is equal to limit as x approaches -1/2. Here, let's factor this. That's 3x, 2x. We have a plus 1, so plus 1 here, minus 1 here, right? So plus 3x minus 2x gives us plus x. So denominator, that's going to be 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. So these two factors cancels out, right? So what is the limit value? Substitute -1/2 for x. Here, -1/2. So 3 times -1/2, that's a -3/2 minus 1 over denominator, we have a -1 minus 1, right? -1 minus 1. So that is equal to -5/2 over -2, negative over negative positive. So this is going to be 5/4, right? So this function is continuous when this function value is equal to this limit value, right? This limit value is 5/4. So when a is equal to 5/4, then the function f is continuous at x equal to -1/2.